What's going on, everybody? It's Jeremy Scott here with Gorilla AI Tools and the AI Money Press. Hey, it's 2025, baby! It's New Year's Day. We're pretty excited. So many great things that are coming your way really, really soon. Let's talk about plans. Let's talk about finance. Let's talk about why you showed up. Figuring out how to make money utilizing AI. I gotta tell you, I can't overstate this enough. We know that right now it's already a multi-billion-dollar industry. We know that there are lots of companies that are investing billions of dollars in the growth of AI. And let's not forget to talk about the new growth or the new creation of the first quantum chip, the first quantum computing processing chip. Guys, it's almost as if it's bigger than the invention of the internet. I know that's going to sound really crazy for me to say out loud, but it's just the beginning of what's really to come for the future. If you see right now, yes, we're going to talk back and forth about how people are a little jaded. A lot of people don't like the AI voices. There's, of course, the one announcer guy that, that particular simulated voice that's been way overused, but it's kind of funny now at this point. But some people shy away from the idea of AI. Here's the deal. It's not going anywhere. It's growing exponentially. And you have to understand the basics of why. And I think it's maybe why you're here today. Maybe you're working a regular 9-to-5 job. Maybe you're a serial entrepreneur like me. Maybe, who knows what it is that you're doing. But you came to find out a different path, another option, another opportunity, some way to see something greater. And I'm going to tell you that with the advent of AI, it's not going to flat out replace anybody. And you've heard me say this before, maybe unless you're new to the channel or new to my content. AI is not going to replace anybody. Not yet. And what I mean to say is that it's going to leverage the most finite resource that all of us have, and that's time. Prove me wrong, I guess, on that one. It's going to leverage your time. You might be thinking money is your finite resource, and you're probably right now, but I'm going to see what I can do to help change that. So where we're headed with AI is it's not just the idea of making funny videos or creating interesting voiceover scenarios or whatever. It's how to leverage those tools to create monetization to help you find economic financial freedom. And there are a lot of different paths. We can go into that in other videos. And of course, your suggestions will lead me to other content. But for now, I want to talk about the most simple way to get started. So stay with me. I'm going to announce some other things later on in the video. But right now, I want to talk to you about the most simple way possible to get started. Right here, depending on where my camera is oriented, is a really simple tool. Guys, there's a link that's in the description, GorillaAITools.com. You're just going to go there. You're going to end up at my simple page here. And then what you'll do is you're going to click on the little Get Started button, and it's going to pull up a contact page. All this is, I'm not asking for anything critical. It just allows me to then send you details on what's going on, the latest, latest creations, latest tools, latest toys, and also what that's going to get you when you fill this out. Not only are you guys going to be entered into not a spam list, I promise you, just a communication list. I'm actually going to be sending you guys my AI checklist. There are a lot of tools out there, but this is over 400 tools and constantly adding to it all the time. These are ways for you to leverage these things, to create content, to monetize it, to get affiliate commissions, and so on, that hopefully this thing gets set on autopilot for you as it's starting to do for me. So hang tight with me. We're going to be talking about some of the tools there and where we are headed for the future. So you can kind of see this right now. You've got options for Go High Level, which is actually what this is built on, Replicate, Radar, all kinds of really cool tools. But I will go into those. You guys can ask me questions about those individually as time goes on. What I want to talk about is really something big in terms of YouTube video creation. If you only had somehow if you had some sort of crystal ball to tell you why a video does better than another, I'm going to talk to you about Spotter Studio. Now, Spotter Studio is actually one of my favorite products, period, on the market today. And I know I analyze and test a lot of different things, but for a basic foundation of a video and how you're going to get your own YouTube content to perform well, Spotter Studio. Yes, they have an affiliate link, an opportunity for you to make money as representing and, in teaching other people how to use it. And I'll go through and teach you guys how to use these things. In Spotter Studio, guys, you're going to see here really quick, but I have a link in the description, and also that will be in the checklist that I'm going to send you guys. But if you use my link, you actually get a 60-day free trial instead of a regular 30-day free trial. So definitely check that out. And here we go. We're going to jump in, and we're going to talk about some of the basic things. This is really pretty exciting. I'll go really quick, but hang with me. So right here, one of the biggest things you can type in, whatever your particular topic may be, that anything from automotive repair to how to make money online or whatever, your particular channel's genre might be. But one of the biggest things, one of the coolest tools, and I keep looking because it's over here, is this Outliers tab. This is what it's all really about. Now, search for videos and channels. You can see, obviously, there's a bunch of random videos. I don't know what this content is. It's just an illustration. It just grabs the data and it does an output for you guys. But right here, you're going to search. And let's say we're going to do make money online, right? So it's going to pull up all of the videos for how to make money online. And you can see right here, the most important element that you want to pay attention to is these little tags right there. What do they mean? Well, that means that this video performed 3.4 times better than it typically does. This one, 2.2, you're looking at a percentage of better performance than it normally does. Well, there's Matt Shields' video right here, 7.6 times better. And any of these videos really give you a peek or a look into anything. If you want to do filter right here, you want to see videos that are really performing well. Let's go to videos that do 3x better than what you normally see. All right. Now, gonna go here. Let's look at 9 times better. Gentleman named Jason. Well, it's Jason Warder's video. We know Jason is. Right here, you want to click on Brainstorm. And it's going to bring up the actual title to his video, but options, different options on what it could be. Now, could AI methods replace traditional jobs? Making $500 a day using AI? Can AI generate $500 a day online? All proven methods. You could pick any one of these as a title for yourself, and you could actually say, I want to keep this, or you could change things differently. You could say, well, I kind of like this one, but I want to change it. We could either rephrase it, we could shorten it into something that's a little more digestible, or this is really kind of interesting. If you're really looking for the video to go viral or perform, the explode option, and it quickly reframes it using YouTube's best practices. So it's going to give you a title that's going to work best for being recognized by the algorithm, so to speak. You could say mood shift. I want to make it more inspirational. I want to make it sad. Whatever you want to make it, it's fine. But you can say, I really like this. And this is just like a regular GPT, guys. You can say, this is great, but it needs to pop more. I don't know. Just putting something in. And it's going to give us a bunch more options. You can say, master AI for $500 daily income. Shocking AI hacks for $500 a daily profit. Any of these cool things. Well, you could grab it and you could say, okay, for now, I'm just going to keep it. For no particular reason. But that's how you would work on your title. Now, if we go back, we're going to go back right into here, and we're going to go to thumbnail. It's going to automatically generate thumbnails for you guys based on the topic, the title, and some of the images that you've brought in of yourself. It will give you a basic laid out thumbnail for you. This is kind of cool. These ones are all right. I don't know why it thinks I have a full beard. This one's kind of interesting. Goes from working really hard to being super lazy, whatever the case may be. This one's got an arm growing out of its shoulder. I don't know why these tools can't do anything with limbs. But let's look at this one, and we'll say, okay, we like this thumbnail, but either, I don't know, let's try this one. Let's try Explode on this one, see what it thinks YouTube's best practices would be for a thumbnail with this topic. Oh, hey, now it's getting more exciting. It's action-packed. There's all kinds of different things, but you could go with, we'll do it more in a future video, but some of these things. But let's say this looks super exciting, and we'll keep this here. He looks a little befuddled when he's got a hand. No, we're not going to actually keep that one. We're going to go to, I don't know, let's take this. Looks like he's got all the right fingers and thumbs and things in place. So we will keep that one. So now we've got our thumbnail, an animated one. They actually do hyper-realistic, animated, or more cartoonish ones. There's a lot of different options that you have available with these. But we're going to go down here, and the last thing is going to be the hook. This is the description from your title. This is going to tell people what they're going to be seeing in the video. It's a thing that that lets YouTube's algorithm connect with what your content is to what your viewers are watching, and decide how to best serve up your content moving forward. Right here, all right, so we've got some interesting ones. We've got transform search engines into music maestros, revolutionizing daily earnings with AI's unexpected music and search. I don't know if we're talking about music, but apparently this is what it wants to do. Let's go to more. I don't want anything to do with music. Dive into the adrenaline-charged world of AI-driven financial victories. I like it. I like it. We go explode. Okay, let's quickly reframe it. Use the YouTube's best practices and see what else this one tells us. Yeah, buddy. This is what I've been looking for. So I want you to look at this particular example. In an imaginative role-play session, AI Money Press personalizes. We've got these different things. Watch as AI Money Press embarks on a thrilling challenge to achieve financial success using AI tools. So we're going to keep that. And it's going to save that to the project. And we're saved. So, here we go. And right here on our homepage, we have our project. And that's our project right here, guys. We can literally grab this. Look at this. Here's your title. Here's your title, a part of your thumbnail. You've got your hook. Everything is right here. You can now export all of this and download it right there. Now all you have to do, and it's already formatted for YouTube. It's already the right scale. It's already, it's already done. You can load this straight in. You've got a great title, you've got a great hook that are already a part of YouTube's best practices, and you got a cool thumbnail you didn't have to spend any time in Canva or any of the other tools creating for you. And it's already done based off of what YouTube likes to see. Now, this is a really cool project, guys. This is obviously an amazing product, but this is a great way for you to rapidly create content that you can then put out on tools like Radar, which I hope you explore in the checklist, that will help you schedule out all of your video content for not just YouTube, guys. It does it for Instagram or Facebook or whatever else you guys want to attach. Not sure if it does Rumble yet or not. It might, but if there's a connection, it can go right there. But it's really the most important thing is that it's leveraging your time, right? As we mentioned, your most finite resource of all. What I want to do is I want to change your finite resource of money into more of an abundant source. But that's where we're headed right now, guys. As I mentioned, if you go back right here to GorillaAITools.com, go ahead and click on the link. It'll bring in, it's absolutely free. You get an absolutely free trial. Go High Level, one of the best, well, I'd have to say the best CRM in the business. Create websites. You can do anything you want to do with this. For lead generation for any type of industry, to creating marketing funnels for really anything you might want to do. But it really is the #1 tool to help grow whatever business that you're a part of. Hang with us. There's going to be a lot of cool things coming up in the future. There's going to be some great giveaways coming up and a lot of great incentives that are happening really soon. But I hope that you got something out of this video. If you dig it, if you like it, if you didn't, whatever it is, go ahead and click. Hopefully, you'll click the subscribe and follow and so on and like the video. But that's kind of it for now. Jeremy Scott with Guerrilla AI Tools, AI Money Press. Over and out. I'm wishing you the best of 2025, and let's grow together and let's hit that financial freedom marker for you. Thanks, guys. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.